Welcome to Top Picks Now. The best camping cot is probably one of the most essential pieces of gear for any outdoor enthusiast looking to elevate their camping experience beyond the traditional sleeping bag on the ground, offering a blend of comfort, support, and a significant upgrade in sleep quality that can make the difference between a restful night under the stars and a night of tossing and turning, ensuring you wake up refreshed and ready for adventure. Number 5. Easy Inflate Twin Air Mattress with Built-in Pump. Tired of struggling with air mattresses? This one inflates in under 2 minutes with its built-in pump. Enjoy quick and easy setup for comfortable sleep anywhere. Constructed from triple-layered, durable PVC, it's both waterproof and puncture-resistant. It can support up to 300 pounds, ensuring a reliable sleeping surface. Experience superior comfort with its double-hide design and ultra-soft flocked top. Coil beam technology provides excellent support for a restful night's sleep. This bed is designed for convenience, measuring 76 by 38 inches. It's portable and easy to set up, making it perfect for camping trips or guest stays. Customize your comfort by adjusting the air volume. The built-in pump will signal when the optimal level is reached, preventing overinflation and ensuring longevity. Proper setup and deflation are key for this mattress. Store it in a clean, dry place away from direct light to keep it in top condition for future use. What we like. This one inflates super fast, in under 2 minutes. It's also waterproof and puncture resistant, making it durable for various conditions. If you're looking for a quick and reliable setup for camping or unexpected guests, this is a great choice. What people say. Easily inflates in a matter of minutes. This huge mattress creates a high enough bed surface to make you feel like you're sleeping on a cloud. It stays inflated, holding air very well. Very comfortable and easy to inflate. Perfect for guests. The material is durable and holds air throughout the night. Number 4. Slsy Folding Camping Cot with Pad. Discover the Slsy Folding Camping Cot, your perfect partner for any adventure. It's designed for comfort and convenience, whether you're camping, hiking, or just need an extra bed at home. Forget complicated assembly. This cot unfolds in seconds, making it incredibly easy to set up and take down. Its lightweight design ensures portability wherever you go. When not in use, it folds down compactly, saving you valuable space. Storing it is a breeze, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Enjoy a warmer, more comfortable sleep with the included soft, removable mat. It adds an extra layer of coziness for a restful night's sleep. Crafted with a durable, square anti-rust steel frame and double-layer 1200D Oxford cloth, this cot is built for longevity. It offers superior support, holding up to 900 pounds. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This cot is ideal for campers, hikers, and outdoor enthusiasts. It's also a great option for a quick nap at the office. What we like. This cot is incredibly easy to set up, opening in seconds without any fuss. It's made with a very durable Oxford cloth and can support an impressive 900 pounds. If you need a robust and user-friendly cot that can handle significant weight and frequent use, this is the one. What people say. The cot is very sturdy and can hold up to 300 pounds. The mattress is comfortable and provides good support. It is easy to set up and take down, making it convenient for camping trips. Number 3. Slendor Folding Camping Cot Black. Experience unparalleled comfort with our camping cot. It features a removable mattress for adjustable softness and breathability, perfect for any season. Setting up is a breeze, taking just seconds. When it's time to go, it folds compactly and weighs only 14.3 pounds, making it incredibly portable with the included carry bag. Constructed with durable 1200D Oxford cloth and a robust frame with 10 support legs, this cot is designed to hold up to 500 pounds, ensuring stability for anyone. Enjoy ample space on this 28-inch wide sleeping surface. The thoughtful height and tilt provide excellent support for your head and back, promoting a restful sleep. This versatile cot is perfect for camping, hiking, or even as an extra bed for guests. Its durable and easy-to-clean fabric makes it suitable for both indoor and outdoor adventures. What we like. It comes with a comfortable, removable mattress that you can even take off for better breathability in hot weather. Built with a strong 1200D Oxford cloth, it supports up to 500 pounds. If you prioritize comfort and adaptability for different seasons, especially summer camping, this cot is ideal. What people say. Very easy to set up and comfortable to lay on. Padding is acceptable also. Not overstuffed but not understaffed either. I could sit this in a corner of my closet and it takes up virtually no space. I ordered 2. Game changer. I set this up, by myself. It was so easy. It is sturdy, it is comfortable, doesn't squeak, folds up and stores nicely, and my life is much easier when company comes. What I really appreciated was how easy it was to set up and break down, and the storage bag was roomy, no struggling to cram it all back in like a sleeping bag situation. Everything folded up neatly and fit right in with room to spare. Number 2. ATORPOK Camping Cot with Cushion. Experience ultimate comfort with our camping cot. It features a soft, removable cushion for added luxury, or you can remove it for better airflow in warmer weather. This cot is designed for easy travel. It folds up neatly into a convenient carry bag, making it your perfect companion for any outdoor excursion. Rest assured with its robust steel frame and X-shaped structure. It's engineered for safety and stability, capable of supporting up to 450 pounds. Crafted from strong, breathable 600D polyester, this bed offers a comfortable and supportive surface. Its water-resistant and easy-to-clean material ensures a great experience and reduces back soreness. Keep your essentials close by with the large side pocket. Store your phone, water bottle, and other items for easy access while you relax. What we like. This cot features a removable soft cushion for added comfort, and you can remove it for better air circulation in the heat. It also has a convenient 3-in-1 side pocket to keep your essentials close. If you value extra comfort and easy access to your belongings while camping, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The cot is very sturdy and comfortable, even for a larger person. The mattress is thick and provides good support, making it easy to sleep on. It folds up easily and is quite portable, perfect for camping trips. Number 1. Sportneer Heavy-Duty Camping Cot. Experience unparalleled comfort no matter where your adventures take you. This cot provides a cozy sleeping solution for any season, ensuring a great night's sleep. Forget complicated assembly. This cot sets up in seconds, allowing you to relax almost immediately. It also folds down easily for convenient transport and storage. Constructed with a robust steel frame and durable Oxford fabric, it's designed for stability and longevity. It can confidently support up to 450 pounds. Stay organized with the convenient dual-side pockets. Easily store your phone, book, or other essentials, keeping them within easy reach. Whether you're camping, traveling, or need an extra bed for guests, this cot offers hotel-like comfort. Enjoy restful relaxation wherever you need it most. What we like. This cot offers ultimate comfort with a removable pad and boasts smart dual-side pockets to keep your phone and other items within easy reach. It sets up in seconds and is made from durable 1200D Oxford fabric. If you're looking for a convenient and comfortable sleeping solution with smart storage for your outdoor adventures or home use, this cot is a great pick. What people say. The overall build quality is exceptional, meriting a solid 5-star rating for sturdiness. It holds up well under weight and doesn't creak or shake, providing a stable sleeping platform. It's easy to set up and take down, making it an excellent choice for both occasional and frequent use. The frame is robust, promising longevity and resistance to wear and tear, which is exactly what you need in a good, portable cot. They were extremely comfortable and super soft. The thickness of the pad was perfect. Sometimes you get a cot and the pad is basically useless, so it was nice that these were so comfortable. They're extremely sturdy too. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.